Alright, in this video we'll do the front wheel bearing on a first generation Cruze. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, this wheel off. Alright, let's go ahead and remove the caliper and brake pad assembly. Okay, we're gonna get a hanger for this. Okay, now we'll take off the rotor, so T30 here. Alright, now let's take off the axle. It's at 32. Alright, we're going to go ahead and free the axle from the hub. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to use an air hammer. Okay, now we're going to get the bolts in the back. They're 18. I'm going to go ahead and get the last bolt up here. I'm going to go ahead and try with the extension. So. Okay, third one is out. Okay, now the fun begins. We're going to try to free this bearing. So let's yeah, I should attach the thing. All right, now that it's free, let's go ahead and clean this surface. So we'll use a wire brush. So be careful, the sensor, the speed sensor is right here, so make sure you don't touch it. Alright, now let's finish the cleaning with some brake cleaner. Okay, now you could apply some anti-seize here, or some rust proofing like this. I'll do that. Alright, now let's put the new bearing on. So you might have this little washer here that goes on the axle. Make sure you don't forget it. Mine broke off, but I'll just put it back. Okay, and then we're gonna line it up with the backing plate. Okay, now we're just gonna line up the last bolt here. Alright, now we're just gonna snug the bolts so we could pull the bearing in. Alright, now we're gonna go around and tighten them by hand. Alright, now we could put the axle nut back on. Put the rotor. Alright, that's it guys. Pretty easy job. So if you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comments below. I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.